Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick trick to download offline maps using Google Maps, perfect when you're traveling or have limited internet access. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Then tap your profile picture in the upper right corner or the three horizontal lines in the search bar to open the menu. Scroll down and select Offline Maps. By opening a new page, click on the Select Your Own Map option. In the blue rectangle, you will choose how much map you want, as long as the size of the map includes the size of megabytes or gigabytes for downloading the map. You can see it at the bottom of the screen. Once you have selected the area, tap on Download, and it will take you to the previous page where you can see the size of the offline map you downloaded, as well as the day it was downloaded. Once the download is complete, you can access this map offline at any time by going to the Offline Maps section. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded the offline map to Google Maps, ensuring that you always have access to the basic maps even without an internet connection. If you found this tip useful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides. Thanks for watching.